About 2 years ago, I started a channel that today has over 3.5 million views. And just like you, I started out on YouTube with 0 views, 0 subscribers. So, how did I go from 0 to over 3 million in less than 2 years? The answer is by learning how to be found in search. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know one of the best ways for people to find your channel when you're just starting out is to be found in search. And yet, I see so many people not taking advantage of posting searchable videos. But one of the things that helped me in the beginning was using the Keyword Explorer tool in TubeBuddy. When I first started out, I had no idea what I wanted to focus my channel on, but I knew I needed a niche. And that meant that I needed to find the best keyword phrases to wrap my videos around. And that's where TubeBuddy comes in. So I'm going to show you step by step how I use the Keyword Explorer tool so that I can get ideas about what I should do my videos about. You can see here I have the TubeBuddy extension installed. And if I go here to the YouTube search bar, I'm going to start typing in a keyword phrase. Now you can see that a lot of different keyword phrases are starting to populate. But how do I know which ones are the best for me to create videos around on my channel? Say I'm completely unsure of what I should do, but I know I want to do videos around the Disney Junior brand. I'm going to select Keyword Explorer and type in Disney Junior. If you look at this graph with the overall score, it shows that this is actually a poor choice. That is because even though there is a very high search volume, there is also a lot of competition. Shorter tail keywords typically will be harder to rank for, so what I need to do is create longer tail keywords, basically meaning I'm going to add more specific wording and more words within my search. And if I don't know what words I should include, I can look over here to the bottom right of the Keyword Explorer, and TubeBuddy gives me other related searches. So let's try to choose a related search and see if we can get a better score. So that's not really working for me. Now I need to start experimenting with some of my other ideas. Let's choose Disney Junior Games, because I know the channel Disney Junior doesn't post any gameplay of their own video games. And there you go. The score is now very good. Still excellent search, which is good, but the competition is a lot lower. And if you look at the top ranking channel, it's ours. And since we have a relatively small channel of about 5,000 subscribers, this would be a good keyword to start creating videos around. Also, if you look at the bottom of the Keyword Explorer, it memorizes your last 3 to 4 searches and shows you the score so that you can compare keyword phrases and pick the best one. But keep in mind, you may have to play with this tool a little bit to get a keyword phrase that will work if you're a smaller channel. Now, once I make my videos by using the ideas that I got from the Keyword Explorer, I will use the second tool on TubeBuddy that I absolutely love, which is the tag ranking feature. The tag ranking feature shows you when your video is ranking in search under a specific keyword phrase. So if I take the example from before and I go to one of my videos that I created under the keyword phrase Disney Junior Games, when I click on the Show Search Rankings button, I can see right here what search position I'm ranking for. This is great because now I have confidence that the Keyword Explorer tool is sending me in the right direction, and I should probably continue to focus on making more videos with other Disney Junior games. If you don't have the TubeBuddy extension, anyone can download it for free.